Formulas of the day from ninth retreat.
Morning to our classic class from 9th grade. Today's formula of the day: a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus c square. Thank you.
Numbers of the day from 8th triumph.
Fantastic morning to you all. I am Rizal Johanna from class 8 Triumph. Today's topic is prime numbers. Prime numbers are natural numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Example 2, 3, 5. Thank you.
Mensuration of the day from 7th Pacific.
Fantastic morning to all. This is Lubin Libanon from 7th Pacific. Mensuration of the day. Rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 multiple d1 multiple d2. Perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 multiple a. Thank you.
Square and cube tables of the day from 6th King David.
Fantastic morning to all. This is Dapna from 6th King David. Square and cube table of the day. 7 square is equal to 49. 7 cube is equal to 343. Thank you.
Shapes of the day from 5th ABJ Kalam.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Diyahanna. I am studying 5th ABJ Kalam. Shapes of the day. Definition of trapezoid. A flat shape with 4 straight sides, none of which are parallel. Thank you.
Mathematician of the day from 4th Euro.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Mahana from class 4th Euro. Today's mathematician Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was an ancient Indian mathematician and astronomer who lived during 7th century CE. He introduced concept and computing method of zero. He was also pioneer in arithmetic and algebra. Thank you.
Tables in reverse order of the day from Dad Diamond.
Good morning to all. My name is Sandra. I am studying 3rd standard. I am at 6th table reverse order of the day. 6 times are 60, 6 times are 54, 6 8s are 48, 6 7s are 42, 6 6 are 36, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 6 1 is 6. Thank you.
Add numbers of the day from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to all. My name is Mehtra. I am studying science under Jupiter. And numbers of the day: 51 to 60, 51 to 60, 51, 53, 55, 57, 50, 59. Thank you.
Even numbers of the day from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Mesa. I am studying first in America. Even numbers 51 to 60, 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60. Thank you.
Numbers in reverse order of the day from UKG Penguin.
Good morning to all. My name is Sanjay. I am studying UKG Penguin. 41 to 50 to 41, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 40, 42, 41. Thank you.
Numbers in words of the day from LKG Roses.
Good morning to all. My name is Mama Nina. I am studying LKG Rosa. E L E V E L level. T W E V L V E level 12.
Reading from the book of Proverbs, chapter 9, verse